not a saint. You mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure. My bad, I don't give a. You stepping on me and like I'm a mama. Told you better than that. You mad? I guess you're mad. Wore my best pajama for this drama. Why you talking like that? Like that, like that. I'm not gonna spend the night. I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind. Keep barking. Spit your words on someone else. Don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back. I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. You're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey. Well,
ganda, yung mga mata niya ay bibihagin ka. Pag tumingin ka sa kanya ay matik na. Parang pinana ka ni Cupido. Sapul na sapul ka.
Cause I lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
Kung ako na nga ang papipiliin, panalo ka na matik. Pwede mo pa kong alipin.
Ikaw lamang ang laging nasa panaginip ko. Ayaw ko nang itigil to.
Araw-araw kitang aalagaan. Laging sasabihin sa'yo na ikaw lamang. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Can I be honest? Magising sa umaga di mo lang alam. Ikaw yung tanging nasa isip.
Kaya kita sa paraan na ako lang ang magkakaalam.
Dagdag pa dyan ang ngiti niya. Pag dinignan ka pa niya, sure na finish ka. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. Yes.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me birth. And I can see her breathing down this universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me birth. And I can see her breathing down this universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her. Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo. Pag-ibig mo lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na namimiss kita. Na namimiss kita.
Sa'kin ikaw pa rin ang baby ko. Baby ko kahit wala ka na sa piling ko. Piling ko pangakong ipagdarasal pa rin kita. Ipagdarasal pa rin kita.
Hi guys! Good morning Philippines! Char! Philippines daw. Ayan. May nagtitinda guys ng ice cream. Ice candy pala. Ayan. Ayan. Titinda siya ng ice candy guys. Bili na kayo. Andiyan pa rin pala yung mga itlog. Kala ko wala na. Dadalawin lang namin yung mga itlog guys na hindi pa napipisa. Hindi pa napipisa. This is a summer park. Ayan guys yung mga eggs. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ito bumalandra naman to, laki-laki. dyan? Dito, hindi, baka hindi pwede dito. Cannot.
Cannot na?
Hindi, doon tayo.
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen.
Ice candy ka. Dali. Tapos bibili sila, wala kang ice candy dyan. Bahala.
From London to Taiwan, I've been
Kaya,
all around the globe.
di ba dito ka natambay, Rosie?
Take your soul.
Ayan guys yung mga eggs na hindi pa napipisa.
Tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes.
Para malapit tayo sa eggs.
Tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes
Baka hindi kasi may bench. Huwag na, dyan na lang. Hindi na pwede maglatag kasi may bench. Pag wala siguro pwede. Lipat na lang tayo mamaya. Ayun guys, ang egg.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Egg. Buti hindi ba tinatanggal ito, no? Duruin mo si Isa ka? The egg. Mamayang gabi kasi iilaw to eh. Ang dami pala din, oh. Eh, talagang inaano din pala nila para umilaw. Ayun, ang dami din. Ang galing na. Talagang ano sila sa native samba. Asan na ba ang toilet niya? The toilet dito. Pen ko na.
DJ Ken.
Dita magnalusling. Mabalin magaya. Ginny. Ha? May daanan pala dito. Ay, wala. Sinara na. Balik tayo. Umaan. Sadang sa iyo pendetan mo. Rabii. Rabii. Iluka data. Nya. Bukan mo. Data laki.
DJ Kid.
Salamat sa